Welcome back to my channel, guys. So right now Google is making a lot of changes and we want to review what those changes are. Of course, Lyria is now on Google. Here on Gemini we have create music, but now something new is about to happen, which is ImageFX being moved to Flow. What does that mean? Let's go to ImageFX and see what it means right now. So I'm coming to ImageFX right now. I've seen this move, like I've noticed that Google is trying to sideline ImageFX because they have something bigger in plan. As you could see right here, this is a notification that says thank you for being an ImageFX user. Image generation is moving to Flow, our home for both image and video creation. You can create in ImageFX until April 30th, 2026. Check back soon for an option to automatically move your media to Flow. So right now, you have to start using the ImageFX feature of Flow. What does that mean? That means that Image Gen 4, which is the engine that powers ImageFX, has been moved to Flow. So there will be nothing like ImageFX starting from April 30th, 2026. So right now you have to get used to using Flow, which is very simple. The same way we have presets here, we have presets on Flow. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So powered by Imagen 4. Of course, that's the key point there. So let's go to Flow right now. So we all know Flow, of course, we've been using it to generate videos and images. So here we have tools.flow. So this is the Flow right here. All we have to do is to get started. And now to get started on Flow, all you have to do is to create a new project. So I'm going to proceed to create a new project right now. And having to create a new project, you'll be brought to the new Flow interface. It has a new interface, of course. So this interface allows you to create all sorts of things. You can create image, you can create video, you can create them in landscape, you can create them in portrait. You can decide to make your images like generation should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your model, you can choose different model. Now we have Imagen 4. That same engine that powers ImageFX is now here. So instead of using ImageFX, you have to come using Flow and you have to use ImageFX. And this is actually a very better interface because you can actually edit whatever image was generated. You know, before when you generate from ImageFX, you go to try to use Nano Banana on maybe Gemini or Google Studio. But right now, everything is in one interface. So you can actually generate an image, then try to edit that same image at the same time. So here we have Imagen 4. So if you were to generate what you were generating on ImageFX earlier, now you can use Imagen 4 to generate that, and you could choose the number of image you want generated. So far currently is using 0 credits. You know, one of the questions you want to ask is that what happens to my 1000 AI credit on Flow? It won't affect your 1000 AI credits because currently it's still free, and you could see from here image generation is free. But if you have to generate video, then you would use credits. But since we are using image, is free for image, not maybe later it could be paid, but right now it's currently free. So here we have our presets, and so far so good. You can now create something to effect this. So let's say we want to create a thumbnail with Imagen. So I want to create a thumbnail with the text image fx is being ImageFX to Flow with one click, with the right image to support the thumbnail. Let it be highly contrast. Let it have a high contrast to attract viewers. Okay, so let it have a high contrast to attract viewers, and let it be aesthetic enough to pull the first 1 million viewers. Okay, that's just a dream, by the way. 1 million viewers. So let's say correct this. I want to correct the prompt first. Correct this to be suitable for a test prompt. Okay, for a test prompt. So let me have this so that I can try to use this image generation of Flow, and that way we are going to use Imagen 4 to generate. Then we can see if we can edit as well with Nano Banana Pro. So let's see what we have right now. So let's see the prompts that would be given to us. So here we have the prompt right now. So let's copy this. let's copy this right now and let me paste this right now to Imagen. So we've done the preset already. All we have to do is to try to use them. So let's copy this right now and let's paste it right here on flow. So we have Imagen and let's have it sent. So let's see what the results will be. So we have this and we have another one here. So we could check out the options and see the one that will be suitable for us. So we have this as the first option, then we have this as second option. So let's see. So let's see this. Oh wow. So this actually looks good. This looks good. Image FX to flow with one click. So let's see what that will be to flow. Image FX to flow with one click. Yes. So I think this would have been preferable. Let's see what that will be. So let me paste this as well. Let me have this sent. So I'm trying to create a thumbnail for this video actually. So we can use that as an example. So let's see. So let's see the third as well. So the second is right there. So let's see what the second looks like. It could be something interesting. So let's see what the second looks like. So image FX to flow, we have something like this, which is not looking so good to me, but then let's proceed to the third. So we say image FX to flow. I think this looks good, so we can actually download this right now. So you could download and let's look at the third so we can have variations. So I would say give me a thumbnail, a minimalist a minimalist thumbnail style. Make sure it is perfect for a viral video. Give me the prompts and design triggers. Yes. So let's have that. Let's have it sent. So let's see if we can get a better. Yes, I think I love this. I think we've gotten a perfect one. This is okay. This is fine. So this works. This works for me. Image FX to flow. This actually works for me. So I'm going to use this right now. So we can have this downloaded. Now, if you were to edit with Nano Banana, you could see we have Nano Banana and we have Nano Banana Pro, which is still 0 credits. You could actually make some edits that way. So here we have something like this. So we have correct this suitable for, okay, so this hasn't been sent, and that way we'll be able to use image FX on flow since the move would happen. So I feel like you should start using image FX to learn whatever you want to do. So right now we're going to have that so far. What do you think about these changes? I think this is better because now you have all your tools right here. You could generate images, you could edit, you could actually generate videos, you could do all these things. You could use an image for frames and all those things. So image generation and video generation now are being integrated into one platform. You don't have to do the image generation and image FX and come back to flow to generate video. I think this is a very good interface and it's going to be something that helps you as a creator. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe, like, and comment. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.